Now easy solution, man called Ringo in the place. Out of the UK. Mr. Robert. Original, big up. Big up my boss.
Metro Media, no fear, no sound. Metro Media, no fear, no sound.
Rubber dub sound. I know that's how we started. Every Thursday, big up on and all of the massive there.
Besides some man jump and pan, who wants it? Don't stand a chance. Metro Media, the one of the dancer. Metro Media, the one of the dance. We not play them no longer. Them sound wide, they too out of order.
Original rubber dub style.
Over your border, over Metro Media border. Oh, them figures over your border. Oh, we can sound so wet.
Play by the song called Metro Media International.
Metro Media.
Man called Little John. Remember Admiral Bailey thing. This coming Sunday. Pilly Blacks Plaza, Tower Hill. Run the part 2 style. Play by the old champion sound, the sound called me. And I only famous in us, that's how we started. Every Thursday night. Because the woman out the road, you know them love me can't done. Woman out the road, you know them love me can't done. Woman out the road, me say them love me can't done. Them love the brown boy, me say them mix me. Because she love me like banana cooked down in a rundown. She love me like the fish, the macabre, jack and run. She love me like the chicken brown stew and curry dog. She love me like a slave. Hold it! Yeah, man. Now easy. Rogies. Money General at the place. Rastafarian. All massive. Andy. Me said the woman, them love me, yes, them love me can't done. Them said, yes, fat boy, you know easy if you come. That's anywhere me go, the woman love me. You this from tell you to themselves. Jacqueline trick me, ya tongue, and yes, she suck out me tongue. She said, you're fat boy, and you are hot bubble down. She love all me sweet, and me no stink like a skunk. She love me like banana cooked down in a rundown. She love me like the fish, the macabre, jack and brown. She love me like the chicken brown stew and curry dog. She love me like the rice, especially the bun. She love me like the caramel, like when it done. She love me like a slice of cheese, each up in a bun. She love me more than beer, she love me more. Hold it! Yeah. So it started.
The last thing I know, only famous. No respect, original dancehall Thursday. This is Roaches, and we represent to the fullest. See? Well, alright. Me can't take the woman we get problem. Right now, me can't take the girl them we get problem. Me's a boy from me have a problem, I can solve them. Rubber doctors, I want you way up on no one them. Cause if me woman on me yard, I give me problem. If the woman on me yard, I give me problem. Me not climb no tree with no rope, he go hang. Flip me Bible open, I read Psalms 10. And ask you provide me a new girlfriend. But if me girl out the road, I give me problem. Girl on the side, say you give me problem. Me sell me house, me sell me car, me sell me soap like them. And try me bank book and give her every red cent. And no say me love me side girl to a higher extent. I love her more than me baby mother them. But the girl on the side love the best. I tell her say the girl on the side love the best. She know how to kiss and she know how to caress. She know how to rub down the ear them in my chest. She know how to massage the muscle in my neck. Me coming from work me field. Pull over. It's the last cigar no. Come in gentlemen.
How you mean? So we do it warm and easy, man. Lord of mercy. Now easy Robert out of the UK. Teach them. You know, say ragamuffin, youth me cantangaros. A long time me a DJ, never know, say me boss. One thing me no run down that a woman or boss. Me don't get no house up a house in chose. Me have me money, yes you know me have me house stuff. No boy out the road and yes them can't crowd me growth. Me favorite singer are the one to hold it off. Me come a dance all you know me come fi mash it. I don't pull up the selector. You warm and easy. So we do it. So what the man tell me say? How many people them say I want lyrics in a video? Hear this? Big show respect to all the ganja man them. Ganja man alone keep ganja man friend. And fire burn for all the cokehead them. Cokehead alone them keep cokehead friend. Me love me like Sensei Mina. You a ganja man and yes you big Anya. We lick it in a spliff, we lick it in a chalwa. Put up your one and if you love ganja. We don't want no cokehead say bun bout. Rock up, hold it.
Wheel out. That's what that selector. Man called Local John selection. Hold it there. All of the artists them were the panda flyers here. We want to look forward backstage right now. Everybody were the panda flyers. Zane. Run tune selector. Zane. Man called Local John selection. Play by Metro Media, the champion sound. Big up them three beautiful ladies here on a nice here. Kinta. Big up the youth them in London. Birmingham.
Anything that you can do, Metro Media do it better.
Hey!
Metro Media are the toughest. Any top that you can play, Sky Juice can play that better. Him are the ruler. Metro Media are the ruler. Sky Juice can play that what you can play, but you never play what Metro can play. By the ruler.
No instant counteraction too. Step up the artist.
Oh, you mean Major Mackerel? No, yeah, me. Now this one reaching out to them youth them will love pop the molly. And I take the coke and the crack. You know what you have to tell them, say? So it's a shame, shame, shame. For all the youth them who will lick the cocaine. It's a shame, shame, shame. For see the youth them life that's a pull up that. And I'm pulling out some problems because you know so when time you they come through. Now Rebel Key headquarters, you don't know in a long time is a youth they are the thing, you know. But I'm going to tell you something, people. When you see the youth, they will clap it and not shot it, you know. And through them, will take the molly and too much coke and crack. So I'm going to tell them, say, it's a shame, shame, shame. For all the youth, them will lick the cocaine. It's a shame, shame, shame. We see the youth, them life just a put them the drain. It's a shame, shame, shame. But me say, oh, to be blame. That's looking at no self-youth man. I say, oh, I call the game. I know me, I know you. Then start make the wrong move, make no start follow. None fi take the blame and that a true. But the Almighty say you know, oh, prosper. A long time me a talk and a Allah. I tell all the youth them fi love one another. The coke and the crack, no, it me no bother. If I grade weed, it no it me a walla. It's a shame, shame, shame. We all the youth them who will lick the cocaine. It's a shame, shame, shame. We see the youth them life that's a put them the drain. It's a shame, shame, shame. I me say oh to be blame. The fucking and no self-youth man. And that you know me tell the people them say I agree that we puff weed in a chalice, but it never too enough. To me love the weed, my friend them no say me no bluff. To get the marijuana, so me have to go check the farmer. I agree that we puff weed in a chalice, but it never too enough. To me love the weed, my friend them no say me no bluff. To get the marijuana, so me have to go check the farmer. Alright, give me the marijuana, cause I eating me request. Me no want coke crack, nah cigarette. Yes, them the thing that make you have shorter bread. Sure, I make your life run Ricky, make me vex. Me love the marijuana, yes I eat me once, so me not go follow nobody. I run go take coke, and make me feel like me a float in a boat. Me not go take that for joke. I agree. Love on the people, respect.
Yes, me out. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to present to you one of our artists. We built for the show. The youth here are sing. The youth here sing for years. Anthony Cruz, come show them your move. A Major Mackerel introduce the great Anthony Cruz. Welcome to Rubber Dub Thursday, original dancehall Thursday. Yes, my friend, love you for life. Sing out!
Yeah, we want to big up everybody in the house, you know? Yeah, Rubber Dub. So the thing's set up. So we're going to crank it up now. Metro Media in the house. And so me tell them already. Live up with the start to the Rubber Dub. I'm going to tell them so this is the first rule of dancehall. See? Check this. Me no want no man to bring gun come a dance. No, me no want no man to bring gun come a dance. All of the man them when do them no bow. Push up on no one and say yo. Oh, Metro Media sound. Check this. Me no want no man to bring gun come a dance. No, me no want no man to bring gun come a dance. Tell them we come for nice up the party. We come for nice up the country. So watch a man. This man dead up. Bogle dead up. Pan made dead up. Nuff man dead up. Remember the integrity ten us up. Look, how much more get to use I go dead up. Me want to see the positive vibes I build back. The dance I block up and the whole place I rock. Nobody nah dead, nobody nah bust no shot. Every man have a woman in a corner a rock. Dance a fig one, build some more land. What the man will sell the house, the cane, the man will sell the car. What the good vibes down. Eyes out. There get some more there. Peter Metro, big up yourself now. Yeah man. All who love the Almighty make us see some light in the year man. Yeah, man. All those in the Almighty, turn on the light of them, man. I want to the Rubber Dub there now. Oh, yeah. Hey. Na, 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 na. Bounce it low, bounce it low, bounce it low, bounce it low. Yeah. I've been through so many obstacles in my life and overcome them by the powers of the Most High. In the hand. Dash it way. Dash it way. Beg you something. A Rubber Dub Thursday, a Rubber Dub Thursday. All of the man them must say a woman to man, a man to woman. Give me some signal, a Rubber Dub Thursday. Go son of man. Sure. When you want to meet a country girl, or when you want to meet a uptown girl, when you want to meet girls who wear cap on, girls will love a top around, just go tap. Hey, sir. Beg your feet again, little man. Different. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I remember that tune, yeah? Turn it up, Mr. Media, turn it up. Mr. Cruz again. Yeah. When you feel it in your body, you found somebody who makes you change your ways like hanging with your crew. Huh. So let me hear you say, yeah, yeah. Rubber Dub Thursday, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, yeah. When you feel it in your body, you found somebody who makes you change your ways like hanging with your crew. So you act like you're ready, but you don't really know. Everything in your past, you wanna let it go. I've been there, done it, messed around. After all that, this is what I found. Nobody wants to be alone. When you're touched by the words in this song, ladies, you got it bad. And when you're on the phone, hang up on dash it.
Yo, Cruz. I walk on the road.
Oh, blood the road. Teach them. Yes, man. We love the vibes in the metro.
Check it out. Them black the road.
Just I come in from a dance last night and you know say me well want sleep. But before me could I reach and me get me see what something like rubbish sheep, Lord. 2 heleba stone for your washing machine and 2 old piece of car, boy. But the $1 million question is where them get them things there from star. They use block the road, them block the road,
them block the road, them block the road.
Dash it. Hands up. Here we know. Everybody we're in here. We want to take out a light up on that tune here. Cause here we don't like we're going to Jamaica, you know. The man might kill off the woman and the picnic them. We burn fire straight on that scene. So all I love them mother right now, Now me see some signal up on a tune. Turn it on the metro. Yes, this song is dedicated. I'm not see nobody turn on the light of them. So turn it on, rubber double take it. I remember the days when things wasn't right, when mama held me tight, stayed up late all through the night to rock me gently to sleep, and no one else could compete, making sure we had the best of life. She made a sacrifice, never hesitate to compromise. So turn it up, if you love your mother, everybody start where from. Me say you're truly a blessing, mama, you dash it. Big up the one that King Jam is screwing on. Well, every posse get ready, come to the rock steady. It's rubbered up Thursday night again. But remember that tune here? Just turn it up now, let them hear it in the streets. To certain people, the music is like food to eat. So turn it up now, my people feel the beat. Make road boys put down the guns and ask can't cut them feet. Turn it up, hide make we have food to eat. With them that type of rhythm, yeah, you just can't sleep, no. Yes, we have some girls to meet. Buzz it low, buzz it low, buzz it low. Halfway tree black up and the whole place jam. Stone love and metro string up over Skateland. One mount a split, me see one mount a Guinness in a hand. That's why me have to big up every true ganja man. Me no know where so much man and woman come from. Nobody now first, everybody jamming as one. Well, if you love yourself, everybody me say push up on no one. And help me this dance, sing this, yeah. Just turn it up. Dash it. Come in, my Rastafarian. Hold on. I could never drive from Mandeville and leave out my uncle. Who me I talk about? Garnet Silk. A lot of people don't know, so it's Garnet Silk, Iran Silk, and my uncle them. And the reason why we hold it so long is because we want the people them to know, say, it's a way we want to come off of our own strength. But we can't live out Garnet Silk. I love Garnet Silk. I don't love Garnet Silk. I see some light in the end, man. Let them keep. Oh, oh, oh. Laugh when they're talking. Let them talk, keep them talking, yeah. We're gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking. That's it. Ragga, 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 bow, bow, bow. I'm a favorite Garnet Silk. It's all of Garnet Silk. Turn on the light of them, man. Light it up, man. Look. I will always do the good I can, warrant hatred I ain't staying. And I hope you feel the same way too. The goodness of your works will carry you through. Do good unto others, and Jah will do the same for you. Ooh, give it a try, my friend, and you will prove what I'm saying is true. Love is... Yeah, I'm gone on my yard, yeah, man. Why? Today, hey, what on, yo, come sing one more, man. No bother with that, man. No bother, give me one more before you leave. Lord God, man. Read it, Mr. Cruz, man. Sure. Boy, may I tell you, I don't want about that tune there. I don't want about that tune there. I'm a favorite Garnet Silk, that you know. Let it go down. Oh, now. Hey, na, 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 na. Mr. Cruz again. Nothing more. I will always do the good I can, warrant hatred I ain't staying. And I hope you feel the same way too. The goodness of your works will carry you through. Do good unto others, and Jah will do the same for you. Ooh, give it a try, my friend, and you will prove what I'm saying, it's true. Love is the answer. There ain't no other. Oh, love is the answer. True love of the Father. If your neighbor come begging you something, don't give it while you. And I know, Jah will bless you. Whoa, whoa, love for the rubber dub Thursday. Rubber dub Thursday. I say, people, are you ready? Oh, pull it up. Whoa, the place get hot. The place, yo, Oliver, why you sing that one? Sing, no artist there, shoot. All right. That one I cannot brand new, but you don't know when it comes to the Almighty. We have to put him first. Bounce it low. Oh Lord, if you should ever hear me, oh Lord, I'm asking you to forgive me, oh Lord. On me have some mercy, yeah. I'm on my knees, begging for protection from my enemies. Please, look, freeze them when they try to knock me down. Keep myself firm on solid ground. If you love the Almighty, wave your hand. Sing praise in the morning time. Easy. Pull it up, sing on your body, have a bad piece of vocal. And your energy up, so last God know. Yes, the show must go on, ladies and gentlemen. A fire in the place I know, but we're going to bring in the first female art. Hold it for the night. Ladies and gentlemen, out of Canada. This lady, I've been singing for a couple of years now. She got about 3 #1 songs in Toronto, Canada. Many of us in Jamaica, we don't know her, but we're going to know her tonight. Jamaican parents she have. Ladies and gentlemen, out of Canada, put your hands together on Rubber Dub Thursday original dancehall. A sister known as Mel C, out of Canada. Mel C, the holy female, put things from people.
Good night, everyone. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never failed me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Sampaloo! Lazy Peter Mitchell.
Take it easy on yourself. Fighting your brothers every day. Just make no sense at all.
Put these for people and that's the cemetery.
The original Comanche. Watch this. Run the secret in.
Oh yes. And it's a long life happiness. But she had the greatest. See time to Lucy. All right. Where's your minute? Come on, son. Tell them I'm run the town. Come on, son. Tell them I'm run the town. Me not talk on a laughing, so no mad. Not talk my kicking, so eh. Not talk to his crying, so no man. No for them. Oh, let to look. So, you respect no one back to yourself. Canada management, Richie. Oh, yes. Easy, Major. Can't stop me light from shine. Over every matter there's a mine. Can't stop your light from shine. Long time in there so tell them now are my time. Can't stop me light from shine. Over every matter there's a mine. Can't stop me light from shine. Long time in there so tell them now. Oh, them fi stop it. When me career it take off like a rocket. Can't get me share, take your one out of me pocket. Have them one take, that's why me lock it. Use that time back it up to come in my way. Watch how me drop it, prepare for the mission. So me well equipped. No matter what Bling Dawg short to me hit it. Brand new. So me say them can't stop me light from shine. Over every matter there's a talk to them metro.
Ace! Pull up that! I come on, she have a energy. Trust me. Respect you every time from outer St. Near the youth call Comanche. Ladies and gentlemen, Unil Famous saying, big up yourself. This artist out of Canada. You get one Canada artist already. See, I which part? Oh, Florida. Out of Florida, not Canada. Here comes Don. One Don. Christopher. Don Christopher. Lord God. Put things from people, Don.
Hold it. I love that platform, yeah.
Before you start, Christopher, for one time when me a thief close, the suit you gone.
Before me start the madness, I want to sing to the beautiful ladies in the crowd. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'll be like heaven to touch. I want to hold you so much. That long lost love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you make me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be. Will! Listen now. I want you to understand this. You see this artist where me I go represent? I'm a daddy. I'm a friend. I don't want nobody forget this man because he make a great impact. And you see this platform where big up Unil Famous and Stro. Make we go into the Stanley and the Turbine segment. A big people thing. Extra. Wanna ready again? A Chinese man from Antigua Bay. Willow. Let me take off the jacket here. How about me I get bad now? Help me. A Chinese man from Antigua Bay come up a town to make up a slave. He was a crazy over the stand girl. Well, he get one with me a curl. Him say, girl, I love you to death. Free food and money, you sure to get. But there's one thing you must understand. You must not ramp with a nigga man. Why, we? Stage show. Ready? A Chinese man from Antigua Bay come up a town to make up a slave. Him was a crazy over the same girl. Well, him get one with many a curl. Him say, girl, I love you to death. Free food and money, you sure to get. But there's one thing you must understand. You must not ramp with a nigga man. Why, Will? Cut and got you. Again. Come again. Representing. Don't forget Stanley. He make an impact for the music. Sadarina where the young girl wants. Sada. if Stanley was here, before Stanley died, me and him did a show in Florida. 32,000 people. And when him catch on the stage, because he's a bad man that. Rain or fall, nobody now move. Watch this now, when him say, then how your panty get wet, gal? How your panty get wet? Well, no rain in a fall and no breeze in a blow, then how your panty get wet. Well, me lock off the pipe last night. Me screw the cock very tight. Well, no rain in a fall and no breeze in a blow, then how your panty. We come again. Soldering, check on, hey, Sada, come on. Soldering where the young girl want. Soldering where the young girl want. Soldering. Hey, she says she don't want a young man. A young man drink too much white rum. She says she don't want no old man. Cause old man fast asleep in bed. He says she don't want no dreadlocks. Cause dreadlocks smoke too much ganja. Soldering away the weed. Different strokes for different folks. Hold it. If Stanley was here, what Stanley that say again? I have a sad story to tell you. It might hurt your feelings a bit. But any one of you do not like it, put your head in a big pile up. No, sir. Put the salary in again. For all of the ladies, them now. We come out of Stanley segment. Watch this now. Ah, yeah. Away from, we're going on the Stanley segment. 1994 had the #1 song in Jamaica. Me and an artist named MC Neil, named Fire. 6 weeks on the chart. I was the only one who could take Lieutenant City off the chart. So here we are. Bonnie, the artist not there, but you're going to roll do for your part now. You remember this dance, man? You remember this party cuss? Fire, make we see the lighter. Burn it, hey! Ready up. Touch and go through. No party style. Check now. Fire, make we see the lighter. Burn it up. Me say again. Fire, make we see the lighter. Burn it up. What the artist say now? Where DJ there? Yeah. Fire not the year, burn it down, we no care. Light a leg, me gonna me out.
Whoa, pull it up. Hey. Dan Christopher, Lord God, you deliver. Pull it up. Run back the answer there. See the artist here? Saying, a year time on stage now. God no. Bling Dawg, just hold tight in the car. Bad artist. Prophet. Revelation. Your time.
Yeah, good night, my people. You see the come Dancehall toast, I expect anything. Round it there, all right. Anyway, me love me dumpling and chicken back. And me no matter when nobody wants shot. Me love me dumpling and chicken back. All right, I make the girl them so fat. All right, Sunday, me cook curry chicken back. Monday, brown stew chicken back. Tuesday, French fried chicken back. Wednesday, pot roast chicken back. Thursday, barbecue chicken back. Friday, me jerk chicken back. Saturday, me cook soup with chicken back. What? Me make oil with the fat. Alright, you ever see some hot jolly when them go a shop? They call for the chicken, whisper the back. Well, look for them, I said them no eat chicken back. I like them, I tell them can't cook chicken back. You have
chicken back, maga chicken back, new chicken back, cheap chicken back, foreign chicken back, a local chicken back. Well, every chicken, pull up. Stay with him. This is that one here. When I come here, I spell anything and stone them, give Jamaica. Represent the place. Represent reggae, Bob Marley, dancehall. Me proud of me pretty island. Me little pretty island. Visit the pretty island. We little pretty island. Sweet Jamaica is a paradise land. We have the best tourist destination, the fastest runner, the best musician, the cleanest beach in the Caribbean. Down a ocean you wanna find the pretty white sand. The grill and mobile, not even mention. Out of many, we are one. If you love Bob Marley, let me see the hand. Everybody, proud of me pretty island. Me little pretty island. Bling Dawg, big Rastafarian I deal with. Roots, culture, reality.
All who respect the Almighty, let me see what in the ear so straight. Cause we're born devil. I would like how Jamaica run. All who believe in the Almighty, let me see all phone lighter, let me see all lighter. It's a transition. It's a growth. Yeah! Rastafari. Hail King Selassie, most high, you know? Christopher Martin, Monsieur. It's a transition, you know? I've been through the journey. All who believe in the most high, let me see what I hear, so. Oliver, drop that. Hey! Dancehall Thursday. All who believe in the most high, let me see what I hear, so. Hear me? All right. It's only pain and suffering, and that makes some people pray. Millionaire with one leap of money, cancer take his mother away, and it can't help. There's an end to every story. Faith without works no work. Nah, there's an end to every story. If you lost your way, you figure search. My God is amazing here when we cry. Hey! All who believe in the Almighty, let me see what I hear, so burn a devil work, a burn bad mind. Let me see what I hear, so. And the most I save me. You see for the Rastafari. It's only pain and suffering, and that makes some people pray. Millionaire with one leap of money, cancer take his mother away, and it can't help. There's an end to every story. Faith without works no work. Nah, there's an end to every story. If you lost your way, you figure search. My God is amazing here when we cry. No prayer never prayed in vain. Heart of it genuinely right. My God is amazing here when we cry. No prayer never prayed in vain. Put your trust in the Most High. Look. Some pray about money and get it, and problems find them because them never sincere, them never give thanks, them never ask forgiveness for all of the wrongs. Alright, me no need nobody to communicate to my job for me. I saw the whole of them speak, corrupted blasphemy. True faith, my God is there for me. My God is amazing here when we cry. No prayer never prayed in vain. Look, I'll be somebody in the pandemic, maybe so 1 year or so. Condolences to now the family. But you have some people that only pray when they're in trouble. It's only pain and suffering, and that makes some people pray. Millionaire with one leap of money, cancer take his mother away, and it can't help. There's an end to every story. Faith without works no work. Nah, there's an end to every story. If you lost your way, you figure search. Conflict, creators are heavy. Conviction of soul set your soul free. Green pastures are way too righteous. Notoriety Moses crossed the Red Sea. Help is a standard gesture. Epidemic make people pray hard. My God is always with me. Prayer warrior on office stand God. My God is amazing here when we cry. Lower. album named Elevate. And who know Bling Dawg from long time till my boss till now. Cause guess what? We grow. Me can't DJ song and no DJ nobody would me not talk about no kill on somebody. All who said music for change me say 1 year so. Straight. You see that song here? Stop. Me get the opportunity to be in the studio with a rhythm here. With Bobby Digital from my album. Physically in the studio and it's a blessing. So condolences, Mr. Dixon. Bobby Digital, big up yourself. So all who know who believe in yourself. Let me see 1 year so. Drop it. Well, we live in a nothing, no come be easy, work hard for where we want me, I tell you, believe me, You know that's how Thursday? Them can't push me down no step and call me no stepson. Breathless in me soul, so me make run. Every eagle leader, boy, you have to step down. Cause your condition, no sweat run. Them can't push me down no step and call me no stepson. Breathless in me soul, so me make run. Every eagle leader, boy, you have to step down. Cause your condition, no sweat run. 52 card in the deck, play poker. 4 kings, some of us me walk past the joker. Nights can no win and not no with sofa. If life drive me crazy, then why need a chauffeur? Step over obstacles, no make him no loafer. If a man a fight the struggling, him a wine soaker. Through the rain and sunshine, me a over. Bird neck pan the things when no kosher. Them can't push me down no step and call me no stepson. Pull up that. Low. Chris, big up yourself. Cause you are the future. Big singer, low. Pull up that. All who rate Christopher Martin, I'm so 1 year, so. But hold on. Him have a singer with him, a bad too. All who rate Romeo and Virgo, I'm so 1 year, so. But unfortunately, him couldn't make it. So, I'm going to do that song here. And this one, me a Romeo and Virgo. And it come from an album again. Play it. All who remember that rhythm here. All who love you, man, them, I'm so 1 year, so. All who love you, man, them, I'm so 1 year, so. Where's the Romeo? Where's the Romeo? From scratch, we are elevate. Attachment that we are penetrate. Girl, you are shine like the morning sun. Me can't stop, say so can I elaborate, yeah. Them say looks are deceiving. I know everything glitter gold, but me are squeezing. To get you involved in my heart, to keep you like a favorite portrait on my wall. When me miss the loving baby girl like you me call, me want we stick together like concrete to wall, like basketball, like winter to fall. Me not tell you no champion girl, me want extra. Yo, hold on, stop that. This is that China now. This produced by Damien Junior Gang. Dancehall Thursday, so everybody where they are so, want to appreciate dancehall music. And we have to get back with culture. All who agree with me, let me see 1 year, so straight. Because you don't know, alliance me come from. And I be a badness and them something, but yeah, you have to grow. You see me? And if you have life in you, you have to evolve and change. We can't DJ about the same thing where youth the magic, because we have youths and them thing there. You see me I say? So we have to set an example. Say to me, I take fitness and music with a passion. You see me? And I'm not telling you like I love music more than anything. So if I know me and you, don't want to listen to this, play it. You see me? Hear me now? Alright. Married to the music. No prenup. No collateral damage for your trap. No e-cup. Cash. Put away the peanuts. Every verse me lay it hotter than my mother teacup. Stand up man, they get dogs ever serious. There's a lot of rats running while me put me cheese up. Maserati flow, my style never sees up. Me persona adjusts the fashion world need us. Sanitize the cash register real clean up. To be broke is like a bike stand, me nah go lean up. You have a nightmare, the real money dream us. You find the right formula, real genius. No rhetorical question, fi try defeat us. Can't judge me by me ear, cause me no keep a clean cut. Me flowing pan the beat like when a slice of cheese cut. Me no need the back and forth thing, Serena Venus. All who know them straight, let me see 1 year, so. Family knows you're straight dancehall, so this one, look. Peter, make sure. No skeleton shirt and pants in my closet. Blue face rubber bands that me deposit. Forget it, I'm a 40 years that I'm me a bit. In the end they make me come up and so that with me chronic. Girl get no slam like me cry still like your bonnet. If me discuss mileage, yeah, here the tonic. Lot of friends so the memory's tragic. Smiling face, me see the seat written on it. Behind any new line, smoking mirror panoramic. Never adventurous. Pull up that. Where's that? Over there. Over there now. Over there. Eh? Over there. Yo, you see that song here now? Produced by Junior Gang again. And this is a song here? Yeah. And you see that song here? Featuring me and Christopher Martin. Christopher Martin. Big up on yourself. All who read Christopher Martin, let me on the Blood Blank right now. Drop it. Drop it. Hey! Oh, my brother. Wanna listen? Look. Dancehall Thursday, look, hear me now? Alright, me no fool fi drink no liquor and go pass out, yo. All you want if you a fling stone in a glass house, yo. Watch your verbs, them where you use up mankind so dark, yo. Every action breed reaction, yeah, the road cross, yo. Criminal seeking stardom, so the face mask, low. Every human hustle different virtuous now show. Body parts are exposed to norm, where should I go? Medical marijuana ease the pain, so I grow. If the conversation toxic, just let it right go. Lately too much heroes, so the villains, them are right slow. Hydrochloric acid deadly, yeah, the pipe might blow. Jack give me the energy if he fight my foe. Serendipity is show up, so me never have to search. Arrogancy of the youths, them cross, so I show them a church. Nullify the binds in congregation, chemistry is a curse. Why did you show with love?
So after we could be feed them, we don't want to see them. Rise around the negative, you're positive, we give them boy. Moving up and moving on and moving forward. The streets are education. Boy, diamonds in the rough feeding. We don't want to see them. I walk around with daily sons and know that it's forbidden, boy. Moving up and moving on and moving forward.
Look, yeah. Patriotic, so the medal for me uniform beam. Blame the shooter with the further great MLK dream. Conspiracy lead to charges, so a gang is not a team. Biologically, me routine, no wear no boy jeans. My routine, hey, pull up that! Chris, pull up that. You want DJ one song before you leave? Alright. Give me Father God a guide me and never go in that madness. All who believe in it, hold on. You ever have some things you go through life in a struggle? I have some friend that tell you about go a be a man. Burn that. All who believe in a prayer and believe in a faith. Let me say 1.5 years so straight. And the Almighty say it. I don't care what them do. You have your choice in a life. Play that. Hey! Man lift up my eyes unto the hill. From west from my head to what in my head. I will never cry, why me, Lord? Yeah. A Father God that guide me. No hope you win a buy. When me testify, me testimony and a lie. Abide me. Just walk past the eye. Jah will rescue me from perils. And a Father God that guide me. No hope you win a buy. When me testify, me testimony and a lie. Abide me. Just walk past the eye. Jah will rescue me from perils. And you me cry. No doubt me no have in the everyone. Cause I am a guide that protect each and every man. Footprint in the sun. I can me when me neighbor plan. For me house foreclosure, we go dwell in wagon. Blood sport, when me look at that, I go up on the land. Juvenile no have no respect where the elderly stand. Them acting like them they Afghanistan. Gunning on them say a dog world, them we shot 70 man. When grandfather just reach 71 step on the man a rebel, them a make nice like empty can. So me say them a empty land. But I show me get the blessing, them a envy man. For me say Father God a guide me. No hope I win a buy. When me test the pull up that. Hey, where's that? Yo, find me a ticket, old school rhythm there. So you don't know. Christopher Martin, you can't come here and do this thing for people. You don't know. Make a DJ one tune, you don't know.
Christopher Martin, I'm Major Mackerel, me name. I beg you 4 songs. Yeah? One for me, one for O'Neill Famous, one for Belly, and one for Peter Metro. Sing!
We're not ready, so we're do it. Martin, listen. Sit down. Mommy, me love you, there's nothing I put above. No house, not a girl, not a cat. You stand firm in all my life, don't know about you. Come from a band, me and you are pyra. Mommy, I'm a princess, I am a dan. Lady in my life, a girl, I feel understand. Special dedication to the big woman. No people. Lord God. Martin. Yes, sir. Listen up. Y'all listen good. It's not the first, not the last. So much pretty girl I pass. Holding out is such a task. I want the people sing this, and I say, oh Lord, don't let me.
Don't stop it, don't stop it, don't stop it. It's cheap on her. All you know no stinking mouth, remember this? Alright, because I wake up in the morning and I give my girl a kiss. The slim thing, the same thing, the one who never miss. I had her like a girl, but she come on, man.
Listen, and I say if you can't love me now, don't love me late. See you in my later. That's a tree, right? That's tree, so I have one more. Alright, here we go on now. You happy to be alive in the party tonight? Bless up to all the massive, bless up to all my fams up there. You understand what I say? Listen good. Ready? This has nothing to do with money or fame or vanity. This one is all about self-worth. So big up your chest and stand proud and don't matter about nobody. No more than no man on this earth. So whether you walk or you a drive car, you no matter if you're white or black like. So me say from you feel good in yourself. Everybody push up on no man and tell all the haters man a big.
Wicked brother. Where's the Chris? Yeah, big deal. Yeah, big deal. You know what? Alright. If we get rich in our life, we now go broke back again. Them get deep from foreign, now yeah, them stuck back again. Some part from them, we now go duck back. Them win the lotto yesterday, the pen pan look back. Yeah. Where's it? Do I see again?
Alright then. Mackerel, 4 that me do already, you understand? But me I do one more. Listen, my girl bougie, but she's so nice. No, but she no fussy, she just living her life. Anyway, enough love to all the love, you know what I mean? But you say the love from me and Ferg as well, don't it? Alright. So you don't know from your love from me and I love Martin. Make some nice Bling Dawg. You know what I mean? If I never him famous, my friend, you tell me all the while to forward. I'm never yet forward. Sorry about that, you know what I mean? Would I never get for me, my icon, Peter Metro, I'm a boss for life. Believe you me, I'm God in the earth. You know that already, don't I have to tell you. You understand? But me there in your presence, so you have to know. You understand? But see, for the 2023, if it don't concern you, leave it alone. You understand? You see, man and woman business, don't trouble it. You understand what I say? You understand what I say? Now listen. What Romean would I say? Sing, whoa, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, nana, oh, nana, oh, nana. I want the massive, them say, shot it, mountain massive. Hey.
Don't stop it. Who won bad mind? Yeah, if you not like Bling Dawg, chuck off on a second. If you come to that thing, got them that want to see it. If you not like Bling Dawg, one go suck a egg. We now go come your yard and begging a tea. Well, if I shot a thing, another flattering. So what's the matter? King your negativity for swing. I tried to miss the fruit and the tree not table swing. So push it off where we do. And that, boom, off the boat. When man drop them anchor, what them want? Drive out the tanker. Money fill long from your so go straight down as Sri Lanka we got. And that, yeah. When me shoot me no miss like.
Why? No sir, no sir. Rubber dub nice, Lord God, Bling Dawg. Yo, no man.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.